Imagine standing outside on a clear, silent night, looking up at the familiar, glittering constellations that have guided humanity for thousands of years. We find profound comfort in the predictable machinery of the cosmos, trusting that the planets will maintain their steady orbits and the sun will rise without fail tomorrow morning. But this comforting illusion of a safe, orderly universe is dangerously flawed. Lurking in the absolute darkness between the stars, moving at millions of miles per hour, is a terrifying cosmic apex predator. It is completely invisible, infinitely dense, and it consumes everything in its path without leaving a single trace behind. We are talking about rogue black holes, the silent, wandering ghosts of the Milky Way galaxy that could be hurtling toward our solar system right now, completely undetected. To understand this invisible menace, you must first understand how these cosmic monsters break free from their gravitational chains. When a massive star reaches the violent end of its life, its core collapses under its own crushing weight, birthing a black hole. Usually, these dark remnants stay anchored in the galaxy, quietly feeding on nearby gas or orbiting companion stars. However, the universe is extremely violent. When galaxies collide, or when multiple black holes orbit each other in a chaotic dance, the immense gravitational forces can act like a cosmic slingshot. This unimaginable tension eventually snaps, violently ejecting one of the black holes out of its home system. It is violently hurled into the freezing, empty expanse of interstellar space, untethered and wandering freely through the dark, galactic void. Astronomers estimate that there are hundreds of millions of these rogue black holes wandering silently through the Milky Way alone. The most terrifying aspect of these cosmic nomads is their perfect, absolute invisibility. Unlike a rogue planet or a rogue star, a black hole emits absolutely no light, no heat, and no radiation that our telescopes can easily detect. They are the ultimate cosmic stealth weapon, hidden perfectly against the freezing backdrop of deep space. The only possible way scientists can detect one is through a rare phenomenon called gravitational lensing, where the immense gravity of the hidden black hole temporarily warps and magnifies the faint light of a distant background star as it passes directly in front of it. By the time we notice this subtle optical distortion, the invisible monster could already be dangerously close to our cosmic neighborhood. If a rogue black hole were to silently breach the outer edge of our solar system, the destruction would not look like a sudden, fiery explosion from a Hollywood movie. Instead, it would be a slow, horrifying dismantling of the celestial mechanics that keep us alive. The black hole does not even need to collide directly with the Earth or the Sun to completely annihilate our civilization. Its mere presence would act like a massive gravitational wrecking ball. As it silently glides through the Oort Cloud and the Kuiper Belt, its immense gravitational pull would violently dislodge millions of frozen comets and massive asteroids, sending a relentless, deadly barrage of debris raining down toward the inner planets over several decades. As the invisible mass moves closer to the inner solar system, the true existential nightmare begins. The delicate, perfectly balanced gravitational web that holds the planets in their stable orbits would be completely shattered. The rogue black hole could easily latch onto Jupiter, tearing the gas giant out of its orbit and slinging it into deep space. If its gravitational influence pulls on the Earth, the orbit of our planet would become violently elliptical. During the summer, the Earth would be dragged terrifyingly close to the Sun, completely boiling away the oceans and turning the surface into a molten wasteland. During the winter, we would be flung out into the freezing depths of the outer solar system, plunging the planet into a permanent, completely sterile ice age where the atmosphere itself freezes and falls to the ground as solid snow. In extreme scenarios, the rogue black hole could violently eject the Earth from the solar system entirely, condemning our planet to wander the freezing galactic void in absolute darkness forever, separated from the warming light of the sun. There is no defense mechanism, no early warning system, and no planetary evacuation plan that could save humanity from this silent, unstoppable cosmic force. It is a terrifying reminder that our peaceful existence on this blue planet is extremely fragile, entirely dependent on a delicate cosmic lottery. We are surrounded by invisible giants, wandering blindly in the dark. The next time you look up at the peaceful night sky, remember that the most dangerous threats in the universe are the ones you can never see.